nothing. Oh, you gotta hold both those. That sounds good.
Wrap this around your hand.
Alright, I thought that the Rockford amp would. Alright.
Does that hurt? No. Push it hard. That'll protect you.
Really? Yeah. That was it.
It hurt a little bit.
Looks great.
Frisbee, dude. Look at this frisbee. Yeah, just
Free frisbee, dude.
That's right.
Aww, beautiful.
Crappiest stuff ever made. Roadmaster!
Eat it, bitch! Extreme! What do you got to say about the Roadmaster?
Good quality. It don't real nice. Holds a lot of power. Withstood a Rockford 1500 watt amp. As you can tell, got blown to shit.
Oh, yo. Very
Nice voice coil.
Yeah, look at the excursion.
Titanium caged and suck bitches in.
But the lights work. Snowing
The
now.
lights work though.
Yeah.
Just set them around here.
Boom, boom, there's your base right there.
I got that boom boom pow. Bitch.